In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete a playlist on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So all you need to delete or to remove your playlist is to go ahead and log into your YouTube studio and then head over to this option called content. Now from here, you'll see quite a number of options here. Go ahead and click on playlist, and this will go ahead and display all the playlists that you have on your YouTube channel. For my case, I only have 2 and I like to delete one of them. So I like to delete this. To delete this, go ahead and hover over these options and then you'll see delete option here. Now you have to note that deleting playlists is permanent action and cannot be undone. However, the videos within the playlist won't be deleted, is only that it will not have a playlist. So I'll go ahead and confirm this by clicking on delete, and that playlist has been deleted. So that's how you can simply delete a playlist on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.